We'll guide you through how to use an Android phone as a webcam in OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do as perhaps your webcam is very low quality or you may not even have a webcam. We do need to get an app for this. Go and open up Chrome or a web browser of your choice. Go and search for an app called GuideRealm, as you can see, and come to droidcam.app. Next, you want to go and scroll down here until you go and see Get the PC Client, and we can get the OBS plugin, so press it to the right. Now you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and choose your system. I use Windows, and we can then press download. Wait for this to finish. And then what you need to do is come into your downloads. So you can press downloads to the left of File Explorer, and you want to go and double click on the plugin. Run it. You'll get a Windows security pop-up you need to agree to. Read this through. If you agree, press I agree, press next, and we can then go and press install, and it's now finished. If you've currently got OBS open, just go and close it and then reopen it. Come on to your Android, and then what we need to do is go and open up the Play Store as we need to get an app. Press search at the bottom and you can press search at the top and go and type in DroidCam. See the app at the top, we can then go and install it. Make sure your phone and computer are connected to the same network. Now let's go and open up DroidCam like so. We can go through this here. You need to go and give it some different permissions. You'll see some info at the top. Now in OBS, you can press plus at the bottom of sources and you want to press DroidCam OBS and press OK. You'll get this pop-up here. Type in the IP shown on the phone screen. Make sure the port matches and then you can go and press activate. You'll see at the top here we're successfully connected. You can go and increase the resolution, but you'll get the watermark because we're using the free version. You can then go and press OK, and you can go and flip the camera on your phone itself by pressing the flip in the bottom left and choose the camera. Place your phone somewhere and you can then go and adjust the webcam in OBS. That's it.